A quick and easy guide to Python reverse string. Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to reverse data in Python. Today, we'll cover some popular methods for reversing strings, lists, tuples, and byte arrays, so you'll be equipped to handle these with ease in your Python coding journey. Let's jump right in. Part 1. Reversing a string in Python. Let's look at how to reverse a string in Python. Here are 3 different ways to do it. Using slice notation. The easiest way to reverse a string is by using Python's slicing feature. You can reverse any string quickly. Let's see it in action. Here, 1 tells Python to step backwards through the string, creating a reversed copy. It's simple and efficient. Using the reversed function and join. Another way to reverse a string is by using the reversed function, combined with join. Here's how it works. This approach first creates a reversed object from the string, and then joins the characters back together. This is useful if you want more control over how the characters are rejoined. Writing your own reverse function. Lastly, you can create your own function to reverse a string manually. This method is a great exercise if you're new to Python. In this function, we build the reversed string 1 character at a time. It's a bit more code, but helps you understand how reversing works step by step. Part 2. Reversing a list in Python. Now let's move on to lists. Reversing a list is similar to reversing a string. Here are 3 ways to do it. Using slice notation. Just like with strings, we can use slicing to reverse a list. Using the reverse method. Python lists also come with a built-in reverse method. This reverses the list in place, meaning it modifies the original list. Writing your own reverse function for a list. And of course, you can write your own function to reverse a list if you'd like. Part 3. Reversing a tuple in Python. Next, let's see how to reverse a tuple. The methods are very similar to what we used for strings and lists. Using slice notation. 1. We can use slicing to reverse a tuple, just like we did with strings and lists. Using the reversed function. While tuples don't have a reverse method like lists do, we can still use the reversed function with tuple. Writing your own reverse function for a tuple. If you want to write your own function, you can apply similar logic to what we used for lists. Part 4. Reversing a byte array in Python. Finally, let's talk about reversing a byte array, a type used for binary data, using slice notation. Like before, you can use slicing to reverse a byte array. Using the reverse method. Byte arrays also have the reverse method that reverses them in place. Writing your own reverse function for a byte array. And for practice, here's a custom function to reverse a byte array. That's it for our quick guide to reversing strings, lists, tuples, and byte arrays in Python. Whether you use slicing, the reverse method, or write your own function, you have several options to choose from. Try out each method and see what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Python tutorials. Happy coding!